So the bowl is empty. The KFC bowl is empty. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video, just bear with me a little, okay? If you are smart as some other people and you're not as silly as me, then maybe skip this video to somewhere, sometimes I'll put somewhere here. But if you're curious like me and you're not super smart, let me tell you something. I've been wondering what is inside that KFC bowl. Every time, it's so huge and big over there. That's the iconic thing, right? Is it bucket or bowl? I don't know, one of those things. You know, I know some young guesses. But then, I was flying around last time and I decided to just go take a closer look and see if the chicken is actually inside that bowl. Because if there's chicken in that big bowl, then it means there'll be vultures and others eating, right? The bowl was empty, the bowl, or the bucket. The bucket was empty. I thought it was nothing serious until after a few weeks, they said KFC was closing down in Ho. I'm like, I knew it. The chicken got finished long ago. That's why they're shutting down. See, let me show you this video. Let me show you this footage. So I flew around the market, went all the way back, and I was wondering what's inside. I flew closer, and then look at this. Just watch this shot closely. I see what I'm seeing. There's nothing in the bucket. The bucket is empty. And you can see some little hooks or handles or something around there you can use to open, but it's sealed, and there's basically nothing inside. So when they said KFC was shutting down in Ho, it made a little bit of sense, just a little tiny bit of sense. By the way, this is not business advice. This is not fact I've gathered from anywhere. Please, this is for entertainment purposes, okay? You're not going to take business advice from some guy who is on social media making video, who is trying to feed his family. So please, be slowing down, okay? Don't come and attack me at a personal level or anything. Now let's get serious, okay? Let's get serious. KFC shutting down in Ho? Why is KFC shutting down in Ho? If you're telling me that people are not patronizing it and everything, you might have a point, a little, tiny bit of point, but there's so much more going on under the hood than you can think. You see, it's all about marketing. So every business, you market your product and then people get to patronize it, yes or yes. Fine, very simple, everybody understands that. But this is the thing with KFC in Ho. The marketing they did was kind of weird and funny. Do you know why? So the first time I went there, they ended up getting my number because of, like Momo transaction thing. Every Monday, they send me a message that, is it Cyber Monday? No, not Cyber Monday. Crazy Monday. Something Monday or Tuesday where you get plenty chicken or something. So back some time ago, I used to feed my crew with KFC a lot. So I know. They did a little bit of marketing. But a place like Ho, yeah, we are on social media, we are on Facebook and stuff like that. But the advert we see of KFC don't relate to us in the Volta region. I mean, how can I be watching an advert of KFC and then somebody speaking Ghan, Dangbe, or Ghan, or some other language be? Yeah, I don't speak Ghan. Maybe everywhere they speak, they chop amokbele and things. So if I want adverts, give me adverts of people who are chopping amokbele like me. You get my point? But if I see adverts of people who don't make any sense, so I skip along. Fine. The market women and everyone else, they listen to the radio, yes or yes. So I know they did a little bit of advert on radio. Okay, it wasn't massive, but they did a little tiny small bit. Most of the youngsters I know in Ho will listen to Global FM, will listen to West FM, personally that I do, will listen to maybe Swiss FM and Ho FM. Yeah, those are the radio stations. Now, from what I can understand, they didn't really do a lot of adverts on radio like that, like it was just for a few days when they launched and that was the end. And that's the whole advertising thing. So if you're in Ho Town, a place where we like amokbele, and abobitazi and all those things, and you brought chicken, sure, we will like apem and kokolo. You see, the one at the board is very tough and hard. Your chicken is kind of, it be, but it is self they like. But Charlie, the adverts were not really what it's supposed to be. You get my point? So adverts, a little tiny bit on radio, and then I learned Kiddy was in town. Like, see, I should say if you bring Kiddy eyes to town, then something safe. We go full and pass Kiddy, because Kiddy, when you are not Kiddy for. But Kiddy eyes, if I go 5-star, go meet them for them, then go vibe. So if you do something break in the eyes, like, yeah, maybe the Kiddy eyes, like, yeah, it be a flower movement thing. Yeah, so let me bring Kiddy. Me at the Ho, Kiddy know they make sense to me. See, adverts in Ghana, they make sense to me. Adverts in English, you are coming to speak big bluffo for me. KFC level kind of advert. I beg, you are in Ho, you're in the Volta region. Do you understand? Come to our level. Our market women, they don't speak that kind of KFC English. Like, no. But they also go hungry, right? They also go hungry. They buy food and stuff like that. Sure, you say, but there are workers, there are office workers and all that who are educated. I beg, slow down, power of waiting. Be keeping quiet. They also buy this stuff. I get my point. They're educated, but not that kind of adverts. Like, Charlie, you've made the whole thing like big boy level. So anytime someone goes to KFC, then they are walking around like they are big boy. Hey, you're not big boy. We Volta region. You get it? So KFC, I'm sorry you have to leave because I'll not get some of my kids again. But for those who are coming, I beg. Bring the advert to our level. Send the adverts to the radio stations, the West FMs, the Swiss FMs, the Whole FMs, the Global FMs and stuff like that. That's what we listen to. They fool me. Yeah. And oh, that reminds me. Listen, don't go and pay some big influencer somewhere to do your advert for you in Ho. The advert should be done with people we know and follow here. The noisemakers in Ho, the noisemakers in Volta region. Those are the people you should be targeting. Those are the people you should bring along to the adverts and be in the adverts for you. I get my point. Facebook adverts for Volta region should be targeted to Volta region, should be targeted to Ho. But if you take some Ghana adverts and you spread it across everywhere, you take some Akan adverts, English adverts, and then you just do a blanket Facebook sponsored post, it doesn't make so much sense. Your Accra advert should stay in Accra, target Accra people. Your Kumasi advert in Akan should be there. If you come to, we'd also like Amokbele and then Abobitazi and for us, Charlie, make we feel people we know. I get my point. People like Elombini, people like Boom with the updates, people like what? The sports diva, what's her name? Is it Thelma? No, she's not Thelma. Tilda, Tilly. Come on, the sports diva, she should be part of your adverts. Like, yeah, she vibe and all that, like that, okay? This guy also who makes noise a lot, Prince Amevi or something. That guy no get sense once. But Charlie, we follow him. He makes noise a lot on social media. So those are the people you should engage for adverts that are targeted to people in Ho. You get my point? But the blanket adverts across the whole nation, it doesn't cut it. It doesn't make any sense at all. You see, those who are online. So I'm not saying me. Obviously, of course, if you bring me like one bucket a week so that I put on my podcast and then we talk about it and we chew your chicken small, it don't go bad. You understand? Like, then maybe if I invite the minister no go buy plenty because if he comes, I'll just give him water and some wine. But now he knows he'll get some small KFC chicken to chew. So minister might agree to join my podcast. Aside that, Charlie, don't do your adverts and leave it there. Look, there are a lot of people in the region where you need to engage with, okay? Not just blanket adverts, speak to all of us in one huge, like, no. You're putting all of us in one big bucket, like that or KFC bucket. Nah, that doesn't cut it, okay? Get to our level. Get at the wait, why am I even talking to KFC right now? Them left already, so why they talk to themselves? Why they do this video? But hold on, just hold on. Businesses are still thriving in the region, okay? Sure, KCS is one place I like. I like their hot, spicy chicken. Oh God, if you chew that chicken, you understand. Those businesses are still doing well. Adonai, Eka Gardens, Adonai, something restaurant. It's a pub, okay? And then one, is it Estate Kitchen? Yeah, Estate Kitchen is also there. And one around Smith Flat, what's the name? Boom, what's the name of that restaurant? Some restaurant be like that. They were the best restaurants 2024-ish. Those businesses are still doing well, okay? There are people like Bone with the updates and people doing adverts for them who are in town. If you go do some Ghana adverts, you take and give, we go chop in a Amokbele and in a Abobitazi. You see what I talk. That being said, all businesses who are coming, please, you're welcome. You're welcome. Like Charlie, Volta the B, Volta is sweet. It's not like we don't get money. We get in our own money to our level, but speak our language, okay? Speak our language, get to the level of the people, and then let's vibe. Just like you can have adverts in local languages at other regions, Charlie, speak a word to us. If you call that Kini Ice guy, he speak 2 or 3 Ajagbe in your adverts. It no go bad. The money to go there here, it will come patronize local businesses as well. Oh, that guy. My own wallet, Kose, see, you vibe with Kose small, give Kose small money. Make it do your advert for you. You don't go bad. But if you go carry some people from somebody, somewhere come the Volta region, like what are you talking about? We don't share that get sense plenty. If the sense they make sense to us, we to don't go buy, we'll leave your business. On that note, challenge double fee for Visit Volta. I keep forgetting to ask you guys to subscribe or something. We get the views, but we don't get a subscription. Challenge subscribe, stay here. A lot of tourism related things coming. So I'll see you when I see you. Sema.